Hey everyone! If you're looking to keep your garden lush and blooming this summer, you've come to the right place. I'm here to walk you through the ultimate guide to garden sprinklers for 2024. Whether you're a gardening newbie or a seasoned green thumb, understanding the right sprinkler can make all the difference. Let's dive right into the different types of sprinklers and find out which one suits your garden best. First up, we have the oscillating sprinkler. This is perfect if you have a rectangular patch. It sweeps back and forth, sending a fan-shaped waterfall that's gentle on your plants. Ideal for new seedlings or delicate flowers that need tender care. Next, for those with larger yards, the rotary sprinklers, also known as rotor sprinklers, are your best bet. These guys shoot out multiple streams of water in a circular pattern, covering more ground efficiently. They're great for thick grass and mature plants. Then, there's the drip sprinkler system. It's a game changer for conserving water while ensuring your plants get deep watering right at the roots. This system is fantastic for vegetable patches or any dense plant areas where you want zero water waste. And let's not forget about the traveling sprinkler. It's a fun one. It moves through your garden along the path you set, ensuring even the most irregular shaped gardens get enough water. Just set it up and it does the hard work for you. Choosing the right sprinkler comes down to the size of your garden, the types of plants you have, and how much time you want to spend on maintenance. Always consider these factors to make the most out of your watering system. Remember, a good sprinkler system not only saves you time, but also helps in conserving water and keeping your garden in top shape. Happy gardening, everyone, and make sure to enjoy the beauty of nature right in your backyard.